In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to fix the Tesla map navigation not working issue on Model Y, Model 3, and Model S. If your navigation system is freezing, lagging, or not functioning properly, here are some steps to resolve it. First, ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Outdated software can cause glitches in the navigation system. Go to your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Software Update, and install any available updates. If the problem persists, try restarting your car. Turn it off completely, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple reset can often clear temporary software issues. Another step is to check your internet connection. Tesla's navigation relies on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Ensure your car has a strong signal or try moving to an area with better connectivity. If you're using a third-party app for navigation, switch back to Tesla's built-in maps to see if that resolves the issue. If none of these steps work, try resetting the infotainment system by holding both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes blank and restarts. As a last resort, contact Tesla support for further assistance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla troubleshooting tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smooth navigation on your drives.